The rain was already heavy when the headlights cut through the jungle road. That's when she saw it. A tiger cub, alone, soaked, trembling, sitting in the middle of the asphalt. Too small to understand danger. Too slow to escape it. Cars were approaching. Without hesitation, she stepped onto the road and lifted the cub into her arms. Its body was cold. Its heart beat fast. Fear wrapped tight around both of them. Then the air changed. From the darkness behind her, a shape emerged. The mother tiger. Silent, focused, watching every movement. Rain poured harder as the distance between them felt impossibly small. One mistake, one sudden motion could turn the rescue into tragedy. But she didn't run. She stood still, lowered her breath, let the cub calm in her arms. Slowly, carefully, she moved toward the edge of the road. The tiger followed with her eyes, not charging, not retreating, just waiting. When she gently placed the cub near the forest line and stepped back, time seemed to stop. The mother advanced. No roar, no aggression. She picked up her cub and disappeared into the trees, swallowed by rain and shadow. The road fell silent again. No applause. No cameras rushing in. Just proof that sometimes respect, not force, is what keeps both humans and wildlife alive.